Hello everyone, I am Akash and you are watching Nutshell Programming. So in our last tutorial we have discussed about the PyCharm, how to download and how to install. In this tutorial we are going to discuss about the print function, but right now we are facing an error which is configure Python interpreter. So we are going to add interpreter. Last time maybe I have done a mistake. Right now we are going to add our interpreter. So just click on configure Python interpreter and click on existing interpreter, then click on these three dots. So a dialog box will appear on your screen. Click on the python.exe, then click OK. So now our interpreter is connected. Now click on the OK button, and now our Python interpreter is connected with the PyCharm. So we are going to run hello world. So according to me, hello world should be printed in our output. So just run this program. Let's see. Okay, hello world has been printed in our output. So our interpreter has been connected with the PyCharm right now, and I'm going to print some more statement to show you some examples of the print function. So just print, then parenthesis, then double quotation. Our statement should be inside the double quotation. So I'm going to write you are watching a programming video. Okay, you are watching a programming video. This is our statement. Now we have two statements and both are separate, and I'm going to add a third statement also, print parenthesis then double quote. Inside the double quote we are going to write something, you are about to learn Python. Okay, this will be our message. So we have written down three statements and our output should be like this. Okay, so we have successfully run our program and our output is like this. Hello world, you are watching a programming video, you are about to learn Python. So there is a shortcut to write these three statements in a single line, and I'm going to use, firstly I'm going to cut this statement. I'm going to paste it into the upper printout, and I'm going to use /n for the next line. Okay, then I'm going to paste this double quote, then I'm going to also add this third statement also, and I'm going to cut this and going to paste this into the upper print function. To cut it, I'm going to paste it here. Now /n, then I'm going to paste it into the double quote. Okay, so now we have all three statements in single line with /n. These print are not now valid, so we are going to delete it. Now going to run this program, and our output is like this. Means we have run all our three statements in a single line, but like this. Okay, so you can also do like this. This was all about the print function. I'm going to just change that, you will understand. Hello sir, I will write hello sir, and going to run this program one more time for your learning. So hello sir, you are watching a programming video, you are about to learn Python. So in today's tutorial we have completed our print function. In the next tutorial we will learn more. If you liked our video, so please give a thumbs up. If you want to watch more videos, please subscribe.